What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with a playbook, and y'all read the title, man. The only forex strategy you will ever need. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. Now, as you can see here, we're on GBP JPY. This was a huge move, a 1 to 5, basically a 1 to 6 risk reward ratio. So that means whatever I risked, I made 5, basically 6 times that amount. So we're just going to round up because it's 5.9. Let's be real, right? So if I risked $100, I made almost $600. If I risked $1,000, I made almost $6,000 off this one trade alone. So now we're going to break down step by step how you can catch a similar move like this and why we even took this setup. So first, we're going to go into the advanced play signal room. You see the date right here, February 20th. You see the trade right here, which was GJ, entry 189.45, SL 189.05. You see the TPs, see the time we entered it during London session. And of course, you see another signal, TPs getting hit. Then you see all the TPs got hit on GJ as well. So now we're going to break down why we took this trade and all that good stuff. So the first thing you want to do before you take any trade is you want to go onto the daily time frame. Now, I'm not saying we're trading on the daily, but we're identifying the trend on the daily because price moves on a day by day, week by week, month by month basis. So it's important to understand that, because if we understand the direction price is going overall, that's going to give us a higher likelihood of price doing that and going in our favor when we do take that position. So we can clearly see right here that we're in an uptrend. So since we're in an uptrend, that means we only want to look for buys. Why? Because price is going up gradually more than it's going down. And again, since we don't control the markets, if I'm going to put my hard-earned money at risk, I'd rather go for a buy than a sell in this situation, right? Think about it. Would you rather take a 60, 70, 80, 90% chance or 10, 20, 30% chance? I don't know about you, but I'd rather take the former over the latter. So if you do not understand how to identify the trend, I got y'all. Pause this video right here and then come back to this one, because it's very important to understand not only how to read the charts and the candlesticks, but to understand the direction price is going and the rules for the trends, because there are rules to the trends, there are rules to price. Price isn't just randomly doing stuff. There's literal rules of scripts to the markets. So now that we know we're in an uptrend, all I have to do is mark off my key price levels and then wait for my confirmations, find my SL, my TPs, then enter. So boom, now that I got my key price levels marked off, I want to wait for price to break above this resistance level, treat it as a support. And if price can do that, we're going to look for buys and possible higher high to be made and caught. So now all I have to do is now is when I go into the smaller time frame. And now I want to wait, exactly like I said, for this resistance level to get broken and treat it as a support, because you want to enter buys off support and you want to enter sells off resistance. So now that I know where I want to enter, I just have to patiently wait for price to do that. Boom. Now, once price broke above this level, I'm waiting to see if it can hold it as support. Now, when we go back to the signal, you can say I entered this on the 419. So that means I entered it on the 415 candlestick, which was this candlestick right here. So once price broke above this level, we're showing it's holding support. That's why I went for the buy. We was in a little bit of drawdown, but you see it didn't hit the stop loss. So this is why you always want to hold to SL or TP gets hit, because if we would have got scared and closed, we would have missed out on TP3 getting hit, as you can see. But once TP3 got hit, price, as you can see, struggled to continue to break that level. So it retraced again, but still holding this level as support, still not holding the stop loss, right? Hit TP3 again, rejected. Then, as you can see, once volume started to kick in the next day, we're on the 21st, we entered this on the 20th. That's when price started to break those levels. And then that's when we started to see real blue on our screen. And that's when the final TP got hit. So our route right here is when the final TP got hit. So as you can see, we caught a new signal. This is a new day, the 21st, and you can see TP4 got hit, TP5, and eventually all TPs got hit that next day during Tokyo session. Move SL on profit or close. So then after our final TP got hit, as you can see, price proceeded to fly up. So this was a huge move right here. I don't think you understand how big this move this was. We entered at 189.45. Price right now is at 190.84, 190.85. That's 140 pips price shot up. Huge move right here, right? So again, the risk reward is this big, the pips is that big because we identified the trend on the bigger time frame. And as you see, the rest was history. And it's literally that simple, y'all. You want to identify the trend. You want to go for buys if we're in an uptrend, sells if we're in a downtrend. You want to mark up your key price levels. And if you don't understand support resistance works, I got y'all. Pause this video, watch this one that just popped up, then come back to this video. So that once price meets your confirmations, then you enter and you just let price do what it's going to do. And then of course, once it's blue, it is on you and you secure those profits. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on the free Signal Room free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how I mark up these levels, interested in my Signal Room service or my mentorship programs, hit those other links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. So the advanced play Signal Room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal Room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn. But then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.